So we're at Watton Airstrip. Yep, this is a great place to stay. It's a Hipcamp. We'll put details below. But if you want to come out here to this region, right, this Bathurst area, yep, Waton, Eglinton, Safala, Hill End, all those places. The bridle track's just up the road from here. This is the southern end of the bridle track, so you can have a really big explore. Okay, so when you're coming in here, it's a little short dirt road. Yep. Now it really is four-wheel drive only if you want to go down the bottom to the river. Damian and Tammy, they're your hosts, so they'll greet you. You can buy eggs, firewood, all sorts of things. Bread.
Cheese plates.
Yeah. The whole works, mate. And this is what the homestead looks like. This is the old Watton airfield here. So it must have been little planes landing on there. We'll have to check out some of that history. What do you reckon?
Okay.
Tammy, great.
Yes.
Thank you very much for having us out here on the weekend.
Oh, that was
this is
great.
a spectacular place.
Oh, thank you.
So tell us about what other things people can get when they come out here from you.
Oh, we do all sorts of things. We do bread, we do fresh eggs, we do platters of all different descriptions, whether like cheese platters, we do a sliced platter, we do chocolate platters.
What's going on? You're a
Yeah.
guru chef or something?
No, I just think it's nice for people to be
Yeah.
able to come and have something different.
Yes.
You know, you can go
Yeah.
camping and whatever, but if you're camping on private property, you might as well get something that's
Yeah.
a little bit special.
Very
So-
nice. The eggs are
kinds of little
excellent.
things.
They are first class.
Oh, good.
I loved getting your farm fresh eggs.
Oh,
Yeah, they're good.
beautiful.
They are
Okay.
excellent.
Righto. We're going to take you up now to the top of the hill where there's a really good camp spot if you don't want to go down to the river.
Okay. Here you go. This is what you do.
Back to the old days.
Going down to the river.
Little trip on the ute, down to the river on the private property.
While the dogs are running along behind the car. Come on.
Right, what's this spot called?
This is called the Hillside View.
The Hillside View. If you can check this
Or
out.
Hillside, I think. That's what
Hillside.
Or the view.
Well, look, little teepee fire. Ready to go.
Someone's done it. Oh, there was people staying here.
This view is pretty impressive. And these horses, they are super, aren't you? Super friendly, mate. What do you reckon? What about the big white fella? What's he doing? Hello, how are you? You good? Are you good? I don't know what's going on with these sheep, but someone has been shearing them. I don't know. I don't think that's the case. I think they'd leave them like that for a reason. Maybe someone knows out there. Yeah, but this is the view you get up here on the hillside. It's almost 360-degree views. What a great country location. Might be our new pet. We can put it on the front. This top section, nice and easy. And you've got some really nice views up here from the top, haven't you? All the campsites, when we get down the bottom, they've all got names. Got a four-wheel drive, just put it in low range. Second, we'll just cruise down here without, you know, being on your brakes all day. Four-wheel drive. Jesus Christ. There's shit flies everywhere, doesn't it? In the car. Everywhere. Everything is everywhere. I don't even know what's going on. Stuff. You have stuff in the car that's just gone. Gone. Real gold country, isn't it? That's what it's famous for out here. All the gold. Here comes someone. Track's wide enough to get a couple of people past. Watching the video, you get no real idea. Like, it's not super steep, but it is. It's definitely for the four-wheel drive, low range. Okay, special guest Damian, the owner of the property out here, Watton Airstrip. This is a fantastic place, mate. What got you into it?
Well, a mate's wife suggested it, and I ummed whether it be really appealing or not. But the more people that come out here, the more feedback I get, the more I keep improving and really enjoy doing this.
It's a really good idea too. Like, there's a little bit of challenging beginner four-wheel drive stuff. So if you wanted to test all your equipment and your camping gear and see whether your car goes up and down the hill, that'd be a great thing.
It is, yeah. A lot of first-time four drivers come out here, and it's a good track. You know, usually all the Caravans pull up top, and I remind them to make sure they turn their trailer brakes up. Yeah. And use low range. A lot of them don't realise they've got low range. Yeah. So it's.
Oh, that's good.
It is good.
So this Watton Airstrip, I tell you what, it's a fantastic place. It's just sort of northwest of Bathurst, isn't it? Eglinton.
Correct.
Just up there, and lots of things to do and see around here. So that's great, mate. Well, we've got to adventure up the next part of this hill. You never get an idea how steep these places are you? Not that this is steep. We're not in the Victorian high country.
No, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too bad at all.
Anyway, thanks, Damian, for having us, and we'll see you next time, mate.
Thank you very much.
Hey, you're puffing a bit. What's going on?
Well, someone's made me walk the hill while someone else has driven it.
Oh, I tell you what, this Watton Airstrip, if you want to find out how your van goes, towing, camper trailer, four-wheel drive, you're just getting into that kind of stuff, this is the perfect location because it's not too difficult. Yeah. And if things do go a bit haywire,
you've got the owners.
Damian, the owner, he's got trucks and bulldozers and everything, so he helps people out. But it's a really good opportunity to get out here, just as you've seen. So there's plenty of places to stay here, isn't there? Yeah, look at them all here. What's the best one? Oh, the beach, in our opinion. Yeah, so look down there. That's the hideout straight in front, but the beach is just down there. It's fantastic.